Welcome to Lagilife channel. Lesson 39. What is QUAI network? QUAI network. Reignite the crypto revolution. The first decentralized energy dollar on the only scalable and programmable proof-of-work blockchain. Introduction. Background. Cryptocurrency has demonstrated the potential to revolutionize money, the economy, and society. Despite this potential, blockchains are constrained by limitations in scalability. Low throughput causes high fees, preventing broad adoption of decentralized systems outside of small niche use cases. Current attempts at scaling blockchains do so by sacrificing decentralization and removing the properties of neutrality and immutability. Once trust is reintroduced, blockchain's primary value proposition, trustless digital value transfers, is lost. A decentralized high-throughput blockchain will allow cryptocurrency to not just be used as a store of value, but also as a unit of account and medium of exchange, which is required for everyday commerce. This will allow cryptocurrency to replace the current fiat-denominated monetary system and liberate money from the state. The QUAI vision. Imagine a world where all global economic activity occurs on blockchain. This vision represents the original goals of cryptocurrency: decentralization, privacy, and freedom from centralized control. It's a world where individuals are empowered to openly transact without intermediaries and where the financial system is transparent, secure, and fair. Imagine a blockchain that play button is ubiquitous and standardized as TCP/IP. Play button secures the majority of global value. Play button has native financial instruments. Play button is used for everyday transactions. Play button is open, accessible, and credibly neutral for everyone. This vision is rooted in the core principles of the cypherpunk movement and focuses on using cryptography and game theory to bring societal change and protect individual liberties. It's about creating a system where trust is established through code, not institutions, and where financial sovereignty is guaranteed for all people. The QUAI vision is one in which blockchain technology extends beyond niche speculative use cases and empowers us to take control of our financial destinies. In this future, 1. Individuals have full control over their assets, which cannot be censored or confiscated. 2. Smart contracts replace financial institutions and intermediaries. 3. Decentralized finance, DeFi, protocols provide accessible financial services to anyone with an internet connection. 4. Digital identities are self-sovereign, allowing people to manage their personal data and decide how it's shared. 5. Optionally transparent and immutable record-keeping enhances accountability in both public and private sectors. 6. Cross-border transactions occur instantly and at a fraction of the cost, accelerating global trade and remittances. 7. Tokenization of real-world assets creates new investment opportunities and increases liquidity in traditionally illiquid markets. 8. Decentralized governance models enable more direct participation in decision-making processes, from corporate management to public policy. This vision imagines a global economy built on the principles of individual sovereignty and prosperity through laissez-faire economics. The QUAI network. In this paper, we propose QUAI network, a blockchain designed to function as a new global monetary system. QUAI network has the following characteristics. 1. Scalability to meet real-world demand, throughput of 50.000 transactions per second, TPS. 2. Non-fiat dollar equivalent, an energy dollar with cash-like properties that is not tied to traditional fiat currencies. 3. Programmable finance layer, an EVM smart contract ledger that enables complex financial logic on-chain. 4. Proof of work, secured through the only economic, immutable, consensus mechanism proof of work. Money for the 21st century. Throughout history, money has evolved to reflect the dominant resource of each era. From agricultural commodities to precious metals, and finally to fiat currencies. Each form of money mirrored the economic realities of its time. Now, as we transition into a world where information and energy are the primary drivers of value creation, QUAI introduces a new form of money tailored for this digital age. The increasing importance of information and energy in our daily lives necessitates a monetary system that reflects these new realities. QUAI is designed for the world we inhabit now, not the world of the past. This implies global payments. QUAI enables truly global, low-cost, decentralized payments, addressing limitations that have hindered widespread adoption of cryptocurrencies. On-chain systems. QUAI allows for the development of on-chain systems that were previously limited by technological constraints. This opens up possibilities for decentralized versions of services that were previously impossible. Energy-based currency. In a world where energy is the base asset of the economy, an energy-based dollar becomes not just innovative, but necessary. New stablecoin alternative category. By tethering value to energy expenditure via proof-of-work mining, QUAI creates a non-fiat, energy-based money. This isn't just a new cryptocurrency, it's a fundamental reimagining of what money can be in a world where bits and joules are as vital as dollars and cents. A true medium of exchange. QUAI bridges the gap between traditional cash and digital payments by offering cash-like properties in a digital format. It enables fast, low-cost transactions without compromising on privacy or decentralization. This approach addresses many of the concerns surrounding both traditional cash, such as physical limitations and security risks, and existing digital payment systems, like accessibility concerns and centralized control. QUAI offers a best-of-both-worlds solution, combining the acceptability and usability of cash with the efficiency and global reach of digital payments. Future-proof technology. QUAI represents the next evolution in blockchain architecture, moving from monolithic to multi-threaded designs. It balances horizontal and vertical scaling, integrating modular components into a cohesive, integrated system. This approach incorporates and advances the blockchain timeline from Bitcoin's inception to a new paradigm of scalability and efficiency. By addressing the blockchain trilemma, decentralization, security, and scalability in novel ways, QUAI paves the way for blockchain technology to handle global scale operations without sacrificing its core principles. This could enable blockchain to finally achieve its potential as a foundational technology for the global digital economy. Network overview. QUAI is a massively scalable, secure blockchain network for fast, low-cost, high-throughput transactions and programmable smart contracts, while ensuring fast finalization, censorship resistance, and adversarial resilience. The system is built using an integrated, multi-threaded approach with adaptive architecture and 2 native cryptocurrency coins, all enabled by the breakthrough proof of entropy minima, POEM, consensus mechanism. These features evolve from and draw inspiration from over 50 years of cryptographic and technological development. One of the key differences for QUAI Network is that it uniquely relies on the objective computational properties of proof of work to push the boundaries of blockchain performance. as a work-based consensus algorithm. POEM removes the following performance, security, and access constraints found in proof-of-stake blockchains. 1. Signature aggregation overhead. Block message rounds. 2. Nothing at stake attacks. 3. Posterior attacks. 4. Lack of energy commitment. 5. Cold start decentralization and distribution. 6. Liveliness guarantees. By innovating in an often overlooked area of research, QUAI network has been engineered with unique network properties that are significantly more advanced than existing solutions. In practice, this means that QUAI network can reach an impressive 1K TPS per shard and over 50.000 TPS in total, 1 GHz/s. This is done by two distinctive forms of scaling. Play button vertical scaling, maximizing the capabilities and performance of each individual shard. Play button horizontal scaling, adding more capacity to the overall network once prior existing shards cannot. Service demand. Benefits of being all-in-one as opposed to relying on multiple layers is that network growth is not stunted due to capacity constraints or L2 fragmentation. Beyond high performance, QUAI network utilizes many improvements in accessibility that allow it to remain decentralized while functioning at scale. POEM consensus. Bitcoin's Nakamoto consensus mechanism pioneered the ability to achieve agreement in distributed ledgers through the heaviest chain rule, HCR. HCR determines which chain is canonical by summing cumulative block difficulty thresholds. However, this approach doesn't account for the actual achieved difficulty, the value beyond the threshold, leading to indeterminism in block choice, thus delaying finality. To address these issues, we have introduced a new mechanism called Proof of Entropy Minima, POEM, which incorporates intrinsic block weight. By considering the entire entropic reduction achieved by the work applied to a valid block, POEM reduces the orphan rate and accelerates finalization, providing a causally invariant time-independent weighting of blocks in the chain. Nakamoto consensus with HCR often results in orphan blocks due to network propagation delays, leading to inefficiencies and wasted work from the associated proof-of-work (POW) algorithm. Previous attempts to improve on HCR, such as the greediest heaviest observed subtree, GHOST, include discounted weight for orphaned